Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna do a quick gel polish Valentine's design. These are the products I'm going to use. I already applied 2 coats of Snow White, but now I'm going to apply a 3rd coat, but without curing. Now I'm going to apply a drop of each color, starting with Chicago After Dark, then Dragon Fruit, and Bubblegum. Using a detailing brush, draw a line. As all the gel polish is not cured, they'll blend to each other in a heart shape. Cure for 30 seconds. Seal in the design with the top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. Apply pineapple cuticle oil. This is a very quick, easy design that you could do at a salon speed. I hope you like it. All the products used will be listed below. Until next time, happy Valentine's Day and au revoir!